In the heart of Windsor Square, on a quiet tree-lined street, this French Normandy Revival conveys an immediate sense of European refinement and elegance. With a steep pitched roof, brick exterior, and prominent corner tower, the home is a stunning example of this classic architectural style. The Windsor Square neighborhood itself was planned as an homage to Old World Europe. Built in 1936, 500 South Norton is an exceptional incarnation of this European dream. Having been lovingly restored, it truly feels like it belongs in the French countryside. Entering into the Formal Foyer, notice a soaring turret enclosing the staircase with wooden balustrade. Look up as you reach the second floor and enjoy the cove ceiling in sky blue. The formal living room is divine with curved French windows and French doors out to the patio. The natural light is astounding. The original fireplace surround complements the intricate plaster moldings. The formal dining room leads to the kitchen and has the ambiance of a French estate. With moldings and mirrors along with sumptuous bronze chandelier, one can easily imagine an elegant dinner party. 500 South Norton has retained its old world charm with hardwood inlay floors, elaborate plaster moldings, and original tile in the baths and kitchen. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's delight. Sage-colored cabinetry was painted to work in sync with the original tile, found even on the ceiling. The appliances are stainless steel, with the exception of the vintage GE stove. A bright family room on the first floor has French doors that open out to the spacious patio for a meal or drinks al fresco. The grassy backyard is private and recently re-landscaped, with room for a pool. Climb the staircase to the second floor and find a sumptuous master with vaulted ceiling and ensuite bath. It has a private dressing room with makeup table and 2 closets. Also found on the second floor are 2 additional well-sized bedrooms filled with natural light. Each of the bedrooms has its own dressing room with sizable closets, and each bedroom connects to the Jack and Jill bath. .500 South Norton is a rare and special home. It is a classic French Normandy Revival that has been restored to its original beauty. Windsor Square is a diverse, culturally rich, and centrally located LA neighborhood. Filled with mansions from the 1920s, it is quintessential Golden Age Los Angeles. Located between Hollywood, downtown, the beach, and Beverly Hills, it is easily accessible to all of LA. Take a stroll down Larchmont Boulevard, which has the feel of a small town, with quaint shops and restaurants. Enjoy the best that LA has to offer.